Hi guys! In this video, you'll learn about change request management in Automotive SPICE. Furthermore, you will get to know the 3 most important points you need to consider to set up a proper change request management process. My name is Klaus Hermann and I'm a Principal Assessor and Trainer for Automotive SPICE. I have hundreds of assessments and trainings in the last 20 years. Every day, we help our clients to implement SPICE and thus achieve business value. Alright, let's get started. Why does change request management really matter? If your project, scope or requirements are to be changed, this requires a change request. If it is a chargeable change, this is your chance to increase your project turnover and also your personnel capacity. Change requests are also very important for the customer. If you process change requests quickly and effectively, you will make your customers happy. Point number 1 is a good change request management strategy. A change request needs to be processed through all engineering processes without getting stuck. This involves dozens of people in different teams and locations. If you don't coordinate these people and track the status of change requests as they flow through the different steps, it will never work. A good strategy makes it clear to all involved how the workflow is, how progress is controlled, and who is responsible for what. However, in most of my assessments, there is no clear strategy. And here's your solution for the contents of a great strategy. Number 1, define the categories of change requests you want to deal with, such as chargeable change requests, non-chargeable change requests, system-level change requests, software requests, and so on. Number 2, define your input channels. Who can submit change requests? Number 3, define the tools to be used to process the change requests. Number 4, define the status the change request will have during processing. Number 5, define how and by whom progress will be tracked. A typical solution is a CCB that stands for Change Control Board. This will help all people to do the right things. That is what counts. Let's come to point number 2. Analyze and approve change requests. One problem I sometimes see is that people start uncritically and immediately with the processing of change requests. Don't do that. You may miss out on financial compensation or overburden your project team. This is what I recommend. In your CCB, you check whether this change request is chargeable and, in this case, whether this person is allowed to submit this change request. Change requests often require a more detailed feasibility analysis by experts. If they are chargeable, you need to estimate the effort, prepare a quote, and negotiate with the customer. You also need to check whether the desired implementation date is realistic or not. This avoids endangering the previously agreed releases and their contents. In this way, you present yourself as a reliable partner for the customer and other stakeholders. Point number 3 is implementing change requests. Well, implementing change requests increases the workload of your teams and requires careful planning and monitoring. Otherwise, either the change requests or the normal development tasks may hang or be late. Let's have a look at how to get that solved. The point is that change requests, normal development tasks compete for resources and delivery dates. If you don't have many buffers or can increase staff capacity, these are your options. Number 1, Move features to a later release. Number 2. Move bug fixes and gain more capacity for the change requests. Both have the potential to annoy the customer and must therefore be negotiated with the customer in advance. Once this is resolved, treat the change request like any other development task. But one more thing, Automotive SPICE requires that change requests be traceable to all affected work products. This is easy to solve if you use a lifecycle management tool that is linked to your configuration management tool. A change request leads to a series of development tasks, and each development task is traceable to all resulting changes to work products. Well, that was configuration management in brief. If you follow these points, you will implement powerful change management functionality, keep control of your releases, and you will also avoid having disappointed customers. If you need more information, we have a white paper on change request management that you can download from our website. You can find the link in the description below. And take a look at our other Automotive SPICE videos. If you want to learn more about Automotive SPICE, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to share this video with your colleagues. Finally, thanks for watching, all the best and goodbye.